It's the 20th of June 2022. We have Puistomäki Parkkivaken 2. Stick is A here. B. Stick is B. We're gonna go to stick is A soon. It's in Kilo, close to Lektavar, Alberga, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland, Finland. Capacity is 8 purchase of 630 grams, built by Schindler, vision pictures in 1999. We know this was finished in 1999.
Yeah.
Might be from early 1999, maybe. 20 years old in 2019, and so to be expected next year. This year, 2022, December is 1286. I think they changed the automatics on the door.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh no, they didn't. The light on the floor button is broken, and the arrows seem to be broken.
Yeah.
But this is also not working properly.
Yeah.
And the downer is. Or it actually did light up, but very little.
Yeah.
And the logo by the door has been taken
Yeah.
away.
Is dit pakje vain maintained by Kone.
But still very nice.
Yeah.
It's a dim light.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a normal traction.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching, and I really like the style of the ceiling in this kind of Schindler deal.
Yeah.
They are like bubbles.
Yeah. That's
The red doors are